As per the most recent long-haul figure, Axie cost will hit $8 by the center of 2023 and afterward $12 toward the finish of 2024. Axie will ascend to $15 inside the time of 2025, $20 in 2027, and $25 in 2031. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.52. So the cost expanded by 25% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $8.68 and the year-to-year change plus 45%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 15%. In 2023, we hope to see $8.20 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $11.28 in the last part. The cost would add $1.26 and close the year at $12.54, which is plus 67% to the ongoing cost. The gauge for later, close to days and months: Thursday, May 4th, $7.53, Friday, May 5th, $7.54, Saturday, May 6th, $7.56, Sunday, May 7th, $7.57, Monday, May 8th, $7.58, Tuesday, May 9th, $7.59, Wednesday, May 10th, $7.60, Thursday, May 11th, $7.61, May 15th, $7.66, June 15th, $8, the 2nd of July, $15, $8, the 24th of August, $15, $8.32, September 15th, $8.40, October 15th, $8.48. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $12.54 to $24.67, which is up 97%. Axie will begin 2025 at $12.54, then, at that point, take off to $13.49 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $15.51. That implies plus 106% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $24.67 to $29.31, which is plus 19%. Axie will begin 2030 at $24.67, then dip to $23.19 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $24.49. It is about plus 226% from today. Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.05. So the cost expanded by 51% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.38 and the year-to-year change plus 156%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 70%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.61 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.72. In the final part, the cost would add $1.45 and close the year at $18.17, which is plus 101% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.17 to $29.46, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.17, then dip to $17.65 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $20.30. That implies plus 124% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $29.46 to $42.34, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $29.46, then, at that point, take off to $31.23 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.99. It is about plus 264% from today. 0401 2023 Axie value forecast 2023 to 2024. Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.42. So the cost expanded by 40% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.05 and the year-to-year change plus 151%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 79%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.38 per 1 Axie. In the primary portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $16.37. In the final part, the cost would add $1.42 and close the year at $17.79, which is plus 111% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $17.79 to $28.81, which is up 62%. Axie will begin 2025 at $17.79, then dip to $17.28 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $19.87. That implies plus 136% from today. Axie forecast 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $28.81 to $41.41, which is plus 44%. Axie will begin 2030 at $28.81, then take off to $30.54 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $32.26. It is about plus 283% from today. 03/15/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $8.76. So the cost expanded by 46% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $15.75 and the year-to-year change plus 163%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 80%. In 2023, we hope to see $10.86 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2024, the Axie cost will move to $17.51. In the last part, the cost would add $1.33 and close the year at $18.84, which is plus 115% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2025 to 2029. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.84 to $34.82, which is up 85%. Axie will begin 2025 at $18.84, then take off to $22.23 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2025 at $25.56. That implies plus 192% from today. Axie expectation 2030 to 2034 in this period. The Axie cost would ascend from $34.82 to $46.27, which is plus 33%. Axie will begin 2030 at $34.82, then take off to $36.91 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2030 at $38.99. It is about plus 345% from today. 03/01/2023 Axie value expectation 2023 to 2024 Axie cost began in 2023 at $6. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.93. So the cost expanded by 66% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2023 is $19.76 and the year-to-year change plus 229%.